Pixel 8 Pro. Let's unbox it. Here we have the Pixel 8 Pro tabs back here, so we're gonna go ahead. I don't really like how it's not very smooth. When that comes off, it kind of tears. Here we go, the lid, and then here we have the phone. I got it in all black, going back to my preferred color after I got this one, and I wasn't very happy with the color that it came in. I actually wonder if the case for this phone works on this one. Let's see what we get. We get the same thing we've been getting the last few years. If you've seen my previous reviews, we get a USB-C cable, then we get a USB-C converter, plug it to a USB-A cable if that's what you have. Then here we have the regular paperwork. So that's it. There's no SIM card, tool remover in the box. All black is a matte black color. Here we have the 3-camera array, your temperature sensor, and your flash. Pretty shiny on the side. Actually, I like how shiny it is. It's not silver, I will say, and it's not black. I will say it's a dark gray, very dark gray. Here we have your volume rocker and your power button. And then here at the bottom we have your supposedly stereo speakers, but they've never been stereo speakers. So it's been, one of them is an actual speaker, the other one is just nothing. USB-C port, and then your other speaker for your stereo sound is here on the top. Yeah, so we have the same design on the top again. But as you can see, here between the 7 and 8, here on the 7, we have this part right here on the opposite side than here. And everything else pretty much looks the same. So the 3-pill camera area there is bigger, a lot bigger than this one here, as you can see there. Let's peel this off. And let's turn it on. Yeah, we got some power there, Google logo. So the Pixel 7 Pro is at the bottom here, Pixel 8 Pro on the top. Actually, no, they're the exact same size. Welcome to Pixel. Let me see if this case works. Oh, no way. It works. It fits it. Look at that. The temperature sensor is a little bit blocked there. I don't know if you can see that here. Has a little bit at the bottom, and the flash is a tiny bit. You can barely see it there. The case is covering it a little bit, but other than that, the case fits and works exactly like you will expect it to work. And you know what? I'm so cheap that I am not going to buy a new case for this phone. I'm just going to use the same one that I have here, because why would I spend the money if I don't need to? And so yeah, here we have the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 8 Pro next to each other, so you can see them there. That is the unboxing of the Pixel 8 Pro. I'm going to be reviewing this phone, so if you have any questions about the phone that I can answer on the review, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. That is it for me. Go ahead and subscribe, give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have the videos. And thank you very much for watching.